guys, this is Rita Luwadi. How you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a special video that's been requested by one of my subscribers, and this video is special because people really don't like cooking this food in my community. So this is tofu. I'm gonna be stir frying tofu so that you can see it's easy and it's lovely to eat. So come on, let's go. So like I said, this is one of my summer collection, tofu. One thing you've not seen on this video is me pressing the tofu down so that the water in the tofu can be extracted from the tofu. And also this tofu is one of the hard tofus. You have different type of tofu. So at this stage, you see the pan on the stove. You see I'm heating up oil in the pan. At this point, you've been able to share your tofu into small pieces. That is what I'm adding into the pan right now. As you can see on this video, I'm using my wok to fry my tofu. Now the tofu is into the wok, I'm moving it around to ensure that the tofu doesn't get burnt. Turn the pieces over as they get brown and add your soy sauce. Add your chopped or minced garlic and stir. In my case, I had to take the wok off the gas because it was too hot. So you'd ensure that your gas is not too hot when you're frying your tofu, so you don't have burnt tofu. Add all your vegetables. This is entirely up to you what you want to add to your stir-fried tofu. In my case, you see I used more spring onions, I used chopped carrot, I used tomatoes, but it's up to you what you like in your tofu. And also for you to know that adding the fish sauce is entirely optional. So guys, this is what we've been doing in the kitchen today. Isn't this beautiful? This is stir-fried tofu with rocket. This is summer easy, made easy for you. If you're a vegetarian, you're a vegan, and you're a meat eater, this is absolutely to die for. I hope you like this video, and if you do, share it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Let me say thank you to everybody that's been subscribing and been giving thumbs up to my videos. Thank you, and have a good day until I see you again.